do-it-yourself pest control like a pro. How to keep bugs out of your home without emptying your wallet. Hi everyone, I'm Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, and today we're talking about something every Florida homeowner eventually faces. Bugs. Lots and lots of bugs. Because living here on Florida's beautiful Space Coast comes with sunshine, beaches, palm trees, rocket launches, and occasionally a palmetto bug the size of a toddler running through your garage at 2 a.m. Welcome to Florida, friends. But the good news is this: you can absolutely do a lot of pest control yourself and save a ton of money while keeping your home clean, protected, and bug-free. And honestly, buyers notice pest problems fast when viewing homes. Nothing ruins a beautiful showing quicker than ant trails, spider webs, roaches, wasps, termite evidence, or having somebody scream from the laundry room. So today we're diving into the best do-it-yourself pest control tips to help protect your home inside and out. And if your pest problems are so bad you decide, you know what, I'm moving, well, your favorite Space Coast Realtor can help with that too. Why Florida homes need regular pest control? Florida's warm weather creates the perfect environment for ants, roaches, mosquitoes, spiders, fleas, wasps, silverfish, termites, rodents, because every bug in America looked at Florida and said, yes, this feels right. The key to great pest control is prevention, consistency, moisture control, sealing entry points. Most homeowners wait until bugs show up. The smarter move: stop them before they move in and start paying zero rent. So first, let's seal up entry points. This is huge. Tiny openings around your home become bug highways. Check around doors, windows, pipes, cable lines, dryer vents, garage doors. Use caulk, expanding foam, weather stripping. Important. If light can come through, bugs can come through too. And trust me, Florida bugs do not need a formal invitation. Number 2, eliminate moisture. Bugs love moisture, especially roaches, silverfish, mosquitoes, termites. So check for leaky pipes, standing water, wet mulch, AC condensation buildup, gutter drainage issues. Pro tip: keep those gutters clean. Nothing says luxury bug resort quite like standing water and damp leaves. Number 3, keep landscaping away from the home. A convenient bridge will see directly into the kitchen. So trim back bushes, tree branches, palm fronds. Avoid mulch being piled against the home. Keep at least 6 to 12 inches of visible foundation if possible. This also helps during home inspections when selling. Next, do-it-yourself exterior spray treatment. This is one of the best things homeowners can do themselves. Using a quality exterior pest spray around your doors, windows, garage, foundation perimeter, lanai screens, patio areas. And some popular do-it-yourself products homeowners use are Ortho Home Defense, Talstar P, Specticide, Bifton IT, but always follow label directions carefully. So, the best routine? Spray every 2 to 3 months, or after a heavy Florida rain, because one thunderstorm here can wash away every bit of pest spray, mulch, patio cushions, half your sanity. Next, treat those fire ant mounds immediately. If you've lived in Florida long enough, you've probably accidentally stepped in a fire ant mound and suddenly learned you can sprint faster than the Olympic athletes. Make sure you use fire ant graduals, boiling water carefully, or bait stations. Treat the entire yard when possible, because if you only treat one mound, the others will apparently hold a neighborhood meeting and they will all move. Step 6, mosquito control tips. Ah yes, Florida's unofficial state bird. Mosquitoes breed fast. So, remove standing water from plant trays, toys, gutters, bird baths, tarps. Helpful additions: citronella plants, fans on patios, mosquito dunks, screened lanais, and honestly, a screen patio in Florida is one of the greatest inventions ever created. Outdoor living without mosquito becoming a mosquito appetizer? Amazing. So, number 7, indoor prevention matters too. Want fewer bugs inside? Do these things consistently. Wipe counters nightly, vacuum often, store pet food sealed, don't leave dirty dishes overnight, and take that trash out regularly. Because one crumb in Florida can somehow attract ants, roaches, poor geckos, and a suspiciously confident raccoon. Step 8, do-it-yourself termite prevention. Florida homeowners need to think about termites. Some important tips: don't stack wood against the house, fix leaks quickly, keep mulch away from the siding, and schedule inspections. Watch for those mud tubes. Important: if you suspect termites, call a professional immediately. Do-it-yourself works great for many pests, but termites are tiny demolition experts. Step 9, don't forget the garage. Garages are bug party central, especially if there's cardboard boxes being stored, pet food that's left open, or moisture buildup. Helpful tip: use plastic storage bins instead of cardboard. Roaches love cardboard, like really love cardboard. So, the best do-it-yourself pest control schedule: monthly check for leaks, inspect screens, remove standing water. Every 2 to 3 months, exterior perimeter spray, fire treatment, garage inspection, and yearly termite inspection, deep exterior cleaning, seal those cracks, caulking review. Consistency is everything. One spray every 9 months after bugs arrive is really not a plan. Does pest control matter when selling your home? Absolutely. Buyers notice ants, bugs, spiderwebs, droppings, damaged screen, mud tubes, and once a buyer feels uneasy, they start wondering what else might be wrong. A clean, pest-free home shows better, smells better, photographs better, helps inspections go smoother. So, as your favorite Space Coast Realtor, I always tell sellers small maintenance items make a huge difference. Final thoughts from your favorite Space Coast Realtor: living on Florida's beautiful Space Coast is amazing, but keeping bugs under control is just part of home ownership here. The good news: a little prevention and consistency can go a long way in protecting your home and keeping it comfortable year-round. And if you're looking for a beautiful screen lanai, a bug-free dream kitchen, more outdoor living space, a backyard oasis, or your forever home here on the Space Coast, I'd absolutely love to help. Contact your favorite Space Coast Realtor, Margarett Klein. You can call or text anytime, 321-480-7662. You can start your home search here on my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. You can watch Space Coast home tours and videos right here on my YouTube channel, Dream Homes Space Coast, Florida. Until next time, keep the bugs outside, keep the coffee flowing, and remember, if the palmetto bug starts paying property taxes, it might officially own the garage. Have an amazing day. Margarett Klein, signing off.